There are various ways to make money online. Here are some popular methods. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can provide services such as writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, and more. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services through platforms like Tutor.com, Chegg, or VIPKid. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn a commission for each sale or referral you generate. You can join affiliate programs of companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or Commission Junction. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, or by offering premium content or merchandise. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys or complete microtasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Swagbucks to earn small amounts of money or gift cards. E-commerce. Set up an online store and sell products through platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or eBay. Stock trading and investing. Learn about the stock market and invest in stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies. This method requires knowledge and research to make informed investment decisions. Online courses and digital products. Create and sell online courses, ebooks, templates, or digital products in areas where you have expertise. Dropshipping. Set up an online store and sell products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the products directly to the customer. App and website development. If you have programming skills, you can develop and sell mobile apps or create websites for clients. Remember, making money online requires effort, dedication, and sometimes initial investment. It's important to research and choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests.